Welcome to our channel. Today's topic, understanding the importance of online presence. In today's digital age, having an online presence is essential for any business or individual. It ensures your brand is accessible 24/7, providing potential customers with the ability to learn about your products and services anytime, anywhere. An online presence expands your reach globally, allowing you to attract and engage with a broader audience beyond your local area. Maintaining a strong online presence also helps build credibility and trust with your audience. Positive reviews, testimonials, and meaningful interactions on social media platforms can enhance your reputation and establish trust with potential customers. Studies have shown that a majority of consumers rely on online reviews and ratings before making a purchase. By actively managing your online presence and responding to feedback, you can strengthen your credibility and attract more customers.